find a real one-eyed truck, said Max. And Max just ran away from the one-eyed truck. And then Max just saw real, truly one-eyed truck.
One-eyed truck.
就是我说的是 one light.
Oh, one light. Oh, one light truck. Okay.
不是 eye.
Okay.
The one light truck. He just flew to the sky. And Max just followed the one-eyed truck because the one-eyed truck just took Max to the sky. And then Patrick yells it. Max, have you seen my brother, Caitlin? Max just said yes. And Max just see him in the storm. Storm.
Storm. Okay.
And then Max, he just yells it. Patrick, did you forgot my pack? Because I got those packages for my food.
For my what?
Food. 就是食物的意思。然后 Patrick 说，Yes, I got it. And Patrick threw the food to Max. And the Max just said, thank you. And then the one-eyed truck just pulled Max to the high up to the moon. The end.
这是什么故事啊？
One-eyed truck.
这是 Thomas 里面的故事吗
Halloween 的。
Halloween 这是真正的还是你自己编的？
真正的。
哦 ，Thomas 的 DVD 还是书
DVD。
哦，这样子哦。那 Max 是什么样的车？
是 dump truck。
哦 ，Max 是 dump truck， 它不是火车哦。
Patrick 也是。
也是什么
？dump truck。
所以 Max 跟 Patrick 是 brother 哦。
他们是双胞胎，因为他们脸型都长得一模一样。
这样子啊、
哦。而且他们都长得一样。
那 dump truck 跟谁？一开始是谁 ？One eye truck、One light truck， 他们是什么关系？
他们啊，那是 Halloween， 可是
One light truck 是怎么回事？
是那个。
它有一个灯坏掉了，是不是？
对。然后就。
它是什么样的 truck？
是一个 truck， 然后很 scary。
哦。
Spooky face.
Spooky face 哦。
Just like a monster.
哦，这样子哦。One light truck 会有 spooky face， 还会 like a monster。
Yeah.
哦。
His face, it looks like a spooky zombie.
Spooky zombie 啊、Zombie 是什么？
僵尸。
哦，是你自己形容的吗？还是 DVD 里面说的
？DVD 里面说的。
说他 look like a zombie 啊。
His face looks like this.
哦，好，你讲得很棒，谢谢你。